The fashion industry has been sent into mourning after news broke that fashion icon and former taller-than-life Vogue editor Andre Leon Talley has died. Talley, who was a pioneering figure in the fashion industry, passed away at the age of 73 on Tuesday. Andre Leon Talley's Instagram account confirmed the news early this morning while paying tribute to the late international fashion icon, noting that Talley had a penchant for discovering, nurturing and celebrating young designers. It added that over the past 5 decades as an international icon, he was a close confidant of Yves Saint Laurent, Karl Lagerfeld, as well as Diane von Furstenberg and Manolo Blahnik, among others. Andre Leon Talley has broken many barriers in fashion. He was the first black person to have held a creative director position at Vogue magazine. Now, designer and longtime friend Diane von Furstenberg, in her tribute, remembered Talley as soulful and grandeur and noted that the world will be less joyful now. Andre Leon Talley was known for advocating for diversity in the fashion industry and also served as a judge on America's Next Top Model. Dancehall artist Shenseea has landed a huge collaboration with Grammy-winning rapper Megan Thee Stallion on a new track titled Lick. The two teased the raunchy cover art for the new single online yesterday, and fans are anticipating the release of the new song. Megan Thee Stallion and Shenseea have often shown love for each other's craft. The two also met up in 2021 at the BET Awards after party. Lick is slated for release this Friday. Now, back in 2020, Megan teamed up with dancehall artist Popcorn on the song titled Intercourse, which also features record producer Mustard. The track secured over 1.4 million streams on YouTube. Megan Thee Stallion is popularly known for hit singles like I'm a Savage, the Hot Girl Summer Anthem with Nicki Minaj, and Ty Dolla $ign. The Recording Academy has announced a new date for the 64th Annual Grammy Awards. The ceremony is now scheduled to take place on Sunday, April 3 at MGM Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas. This is the first time the event is being held in Las Vegas. The event was postponed from the originally scheduled date of January 31 due to uncertainty around the COVID-19 pandemic. This is the second year in a row that the Grammy Awards is being postponed due to the pandemic. The new date will also see TV host and comedian Trevor Noah returning as Master of Ceremonies for music's biggest night. I'm Deirdre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.